How to add an announcement bar to Shopify store easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add an announcement bar to your Shopify store. If you have a new discount or new arrival, you can actually show it on your store right here at the top. How to get an announcement bar for free? Well, you will just open up your Shopify store. You will get to the admin. You have to click on online store. It will show you the theme that you have currently selected. So, with almost all the themes available on Shopify, you will be able to get the announcement option. I have selected this one, like the default theme that we get. You can scroll down to get your theme as well, and you can check if this option will be available or not. So, for me, I think it will be available. So, you just have to click on customize and open up your store. This is my store right here. And you can see you have to click on these sections and it will show you the different sections that you can add to your store right here. In your header, or you can see in your home page, I am actually getting the announcement bar right away. You can see the announcement bar option selected, and this is the announcement bar right here. I can, of course, customize it, whatever I want to add. For example, I have a new arrival. So, what I will do is I can just click right here and I can edit it out. So it says, Welcome to our store, the announcement bar, but I wanted to say new arrivals. Let's actually go with winter. There you go. So this is actually a new announcement on my store. So I have added it and now I can go back. We can also customize the color if we want to, background color, and then we have the link as well. So this is how you add an announcement bar to your Shopify store. Let's say your store, your theme does not show you the announcement bar right here. So what you can do is you can actually select the header, then in header scroll all the way down and kind of like check if it's available within the header option. Otherwise it will be available right here, and you can actually add more than one announcement on your Shopify store. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.